The Lumina Power Inc. 11001206 rev11 CCFP-3500-2P is a charged capacitive bank power supply. ERD repairs many of these for the medical industry, but this power supply is from an industrial manufacturing laser. These typically come in with a lot of damage and require a full rebuild before we ever apply power. And as shown in the video, we slowly ramp up the output before we run it, as in the field, where it switches its full voltage output as the laser pulls power from the capacitor bank. Most industrial lasers require high voltage capacitor banks, and we can configure tests for the majority of the sizes used in the industry.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.